model, 2014 Peugeot Expert HDI TEPEE Comfort L1 Crew Cab with a wheelchair ramp, ideal for motorcycle. Body, silver, MPV. Mileage, 119463. MOT, the 25th of July 2025. Engine, 1997 cc W10 CEA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Very well maintained vehicle, starts and drives brilliantly. Smile. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,250 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on